to announce the passing on of General Francis Omondi Ogolla.
In the wake of a devastating helicopter accident in West Pokot that claimed the life of Kenya's Chief of Defense Forces, General Francis Ogolla, his daughter, Lorna Omondi Ogolla, has expressed her profound grief and sorrow. Taking to LinkedIn, Lorna penned a heartfelt tribute to her father, commemorating his legacy as a beacon of excellence and a steadfast guardian of the nation's security. In her poignant message, she reflected on her father's unwavering commitment to his duties over the course of 4 decades, emphasizing his dedication to ensuring the safety and well-being of Kenya and its people. My father, Lorna wrote, pursuer of excellence. Most empathetic and effective leader and statesman just went down in chopper crash in West Pokot. Doing what he did best for the better part of the last 40 years, trying to keep Kenya safe. In her poignant words, Lorna encapsulated the essence of her CDF Ogolla's character, portraying him as a man of action whose leadership extended beyond mere words, leaving an indelible mark on all who crossed his path. She expressed her intention to one day share the inspiring stories of her father's life, highlighting the profound lessons he imparted through his actions. But for now, amidst the anguish of loss, Lorna finds herself rushing home to bid her beloved father farewell as he embarks on his journey to the great beyond. In her sorrow, she finds solace in the cherished memories of a life well lived, a legacy of service and dedication that will endure beyond the confines of earthly existence. As Lorna and her family grapple with the profound loss of General Ogolla, their grief resonates with a nation mourning the passing of a revered leader. In the midst of tragedy, they find strength in unity, drawing comfort from the outpouring of support and condolences from across the country. Through Lorna's poignant tribute, Francis Ogolla's memory lives on, immortalized in the hearts of those who knew him and the nation he served with unwavering devotion. In his passing, he leaves behind a legacy of courage, integrity, and compassion, inspiring all who follow in his footsteps to strive for excellence and uphold the values he held dear.